Hey, congratulations on making a decision on joining $25 1UP. And of course, with Team Elevate, man, we've got some incredible tools, resources, bonuses, all kind of cool things in this particular organization to help you win with $25 1UP. In this video, really quick, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to get set up. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video before you start signing up and going through the process. I know you're excited, but hold on just for a second, because this is really important information that you're going to need to know, and also the people who you're enrolling are going to need to know. And of course, knowledge is power. Knowledge is really knowledge is the new currency. So you want to make sure that you get this information. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on what to expect and what you want to make sure that you're doing when you're going through the enrollment process. And you definitely want to know this information and make sure that the people that you're enrolling watch this video too, because it's going to help them so they can get started. Of course, when they get started, you get paid. So you want to make sure you get paid, right? So watch this video. So with that said, I want to keep this as short as possible. Let's just jump right into it, because I know you're ready to go ahead and start getting these instant 100% commissions. I'm telling you, $25 1UP is really helping a lot of people really do some pretty cool things. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it here. So as you can see here, when you click on the green button right below this video, okay, right below this video, you're going to see some green buttons. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to a form that's going to look like this, okay? And you're going to see whoever your sponsor is, whoever you're enrolling under. You should see their name right here near the bottom. Once you've confirmed that, you definitely want to go ahead and continue to fill out the information here, just your basic information. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click on Join Now, okay? So when you click on Join Now, it's going to bring you to the back office. There's going to be some information, sharing information about the refund policy. There are no refunds with this opportunity, so you definitely want to make sure that you accept the terms of the no refund policy. And you don't want to don't copy and paste that, because sometimes people try to copy that, and when they copy and paste it, there leaves like a little space, so it doesn't allow you to accept the terms. So just go ahead and type that information in, capital I, capital accept, right, all the way across. Make sure you fill out that information. Just type that in, and then just click on, accept the terms. So just make sure you fill out that information, put it in that field, and then click on accept the terms and conditions. Once you've agreed to the no refund policy, it's going to allow you to get right back into the back office here, okay? Once you're in the back office, there's going to be typically 3 steps that you want to follow. Step number 1, okay? You want to go ahead and buy your hosting, which is $10, the hosting fee, for the system, for, the emails and all the capture pages and all that stuff, the system in general, just being able to keep everything hosted online for you. What you want to do is click on step number 1. Okay. When you click on that step 1 option there, it's going to bring you to the hosting page, okay, where you pay for your hosting. And you're going to see a big old green button here. Click here to pay with PayPal. When you click on that, just click on that button. Then when you click on that green button, it's going to bring up this page here, okay? And again, when you click on it, you're going to see where it says amount due $10. And what you want to do is right up here, click on that blue button that says pay $10. Then it's going to bring you to a PayPal login page, okay? So, and this is, again, you can use this option if you have funds in your PayPal account. So, excuse me, if you have funds currently in your PayPal account now, you can use this option. Just log in and then just go through the process to pay the $10 fee. If you do not have funds in your PayPal account, do not use this option. So let me repeat. If you're like, do I have money in my PayPal account now? No, I don't. Do not use this option. If you do have funds over $10, you can use this option. That makes sense? Now, if you're like, hey, I don't want to use PayPal, I used to have PayPal, I don't have an account anymore or whatever, that's fine. Just click on this little gray button right here near the bottom that says pay with a debit or credit card. Use this option to use your debit or credit card. So here, if you click on this little option right here, you don't have to log into PayPal or anything like that. Matter of fact, when you click on this little gray button right here, it's going to bring you to just a basic checkout page, like when you're buying anything on the internet. You just fill out the information right here, your name, your credit card information, and all that, and you'll be able to pay for your $10 hosting fee. Now, that process is basically the same for any time you buy anything on PayPal. PayPal is going to always give you the option to log in with your PayPal account if you have one. If you don't have a PayPal account, or you don't want a PayPal account and you just want to pay, you can always, again, just go right back here and pay with a debit or credit card, okay, by itself, without trying to log into PayPal and all that. Hopefully that makes sense. A lot of people don't know that. That's why I wanted to be clear on getting set up now. So again, fill out that information to pay your $10 hosting fee. Once you do that, boom, it's going to bring you right back to the system. Make sure when you pay your $10 hosting fee, make sure you return back to the merchant. When you're making that payment, it'll give you an option to go back to the merchant's website, which of course this is the website here. Just click on that and that'll bring you right back. Now, we've done number one. Number two, okay, we've got to, of course, buy the gold level, right? So if you buy the gold level, once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page here. You're going to see whoever you're enrolling with, right? So you're going to see pay with Steve, Rachel, or pay with whoever, right? Or just make sure that you're connecting with the right person who you're enrolling with. You know that. I don't know who that is. You only know that, right? You'll see their name right here. And of course, if they have the option to pay with PayPal. Now, what I'm about to show you, as an affiliate of $25 1UP, you have the authority to actually have different types of payment options for people to be able to send you money when you actually get started. So in this example, I'm sharing the options that we're currently using right now, meaning my personal account. If whoever you're on, their account might be a little bit different, but you can definitely pretty much follow the same suit, because I think typically we all at least have one of these options, if that makes sense. But currently on mine, I have 3 options, okay? Somebody might just have one, some people might have 2, but typically they usually have at least one of these 3. That makes sense? So, for example, when you're getting ready to pay for the gold membership or whatever membership that you're buying, right? In this example, it's the $25 gold membership. Here, if you notice right here, this green button that says click here to get access now, this is a PayPal option. Just like we did before, let me show you. If you click on that green button, it's going to bring you to this page here. If you have $25 or more currently in your PayPal account now, you can use this option. That makes sense, okay? And if you don't, do not use this option. If you don't have the funds in your PayPal account currently, don't use this option. You can use this option. Just pay with your credit or your debit or credit card, okay? So it's a real simple process. And then, of course, you just fill out the form and kind of go from there. So that was the PayPal option, right? Which is that green button here. Then they also have a Stripe option, okay? Stripe is just another payment processor. These are all different ways on how you can receive money. And this is how you want to be able to make your payment to get started with $25 1UP. So here's a Stripe option. Stripe, again, is just another payment processor. When you click on this little blue button right here, if you decide to use Stripe, you don't want to use PayPal, you say, well, I'll use Stripe. You click on that, a little pop-up is going to come up here where you put your email address, your credit card number, and all that information, and then you'll go ahead and pay using Stripe. That makes sense? So far we just talked about 2 different options here. And then last, what I have on that's in our system, the third option that people can use to get started with us, of course, is the Cash app. And a lot of people have that app on their phone or whatever, and they use it all the time. Just follow the instructions that you'll see here, on the website, and you pretty much can just go from there. Okay, so really, really simple. Again, 3 options. One, of course, was PayPal. The second one was, of course, with Stripe. And the third one was, of course, with the Cash app. You can use either or. Okay, it's totally up to you. So once you make your $25 payment, just go through the same process like you did before. Boom. Now you have the gold membership. Now, if you're following the 1, 2, 3 step process of get your hosting fee, get the gold level, and then, of course, become a platinum member, because you definitely at least want to be platinum too. Because if you're platinum, you're going to be able to, one, get access to our really cool third-party system that's going to help you generate leads, get you more sales. Definitely just going to help you to win big in this opportunity. Okay, that makes sense? So now, but of course, you still have the option, just like in the other videos. Hopefully you saw the compensation plan video where it shows you there's benefits with I guess you could say membership has its privileges. So if you're wanting to be a diamond member or an enterprise member, you're just going to get more perks. So you can choose either one of these, of course, to get started as well. So make sure you check out all the information and everything also. But that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of getting set up. Told you this would be pretty harmless here. But again, it's really, really simple. Hopefully this made sense. Just go ahead and get set up. Pay your hosting fee. Okay, if you're just doing the bare minimum, pay your hosting fee, get gold, get platinum, boom, you'll be set. If you're definitely going to the higher position so you can make more money, definitely you can just jump right to, after you pay your hosting fee, you can go straight to diamond or go straight to enterprise, and that'll qualify you for all the other levels. Make sure you watch the compensation plan video. It might even be on this page here. Check that information out. That'll kind of break how the comp plan works. And of course, that'll just give you a little bit more insight on what to do as you're building your $25 one-up business. Again, instant 100% commissions. This opportunity is really helping a lot of people. So I definitely encourage you to go ahead and get signed up. Click on the green button right below. That'll take you to that process. It'll walk you through everything that we just went through. If you have a question, you can refer back to this video, and it should be able to answer some of your questions and everything. So that's all I got for this, guys. Just wanted to show you exactly how to get enrolled, how to get set up, and how to really start winning really big inside a $25 one-up. We've got training, we've got tools, we got resources, we got support, we got everything that you need to become successful in this opportunity. All you got to do is just get set up. That's all you got to do now. Just get set up, get in position. We're waiting on you, to get going so we can tell you exactly what you need to do, provide you with everything that you're going to need so you can start winning. So with that said, guys, I know you got some stuff to fill out and some stuff to do to get started. So I'll let you get to it, and we'll see you inside the system. Peace out.